File paths are addresses for files or directories on your computer. Use them to locate, read, or write data programmatically. In Python, paths are strings like !folder/file.txt.
For robustness, pathlib, path objects are ideal. To create and utilize a path, first, define it, from pathlib import path. My_file equals path, data/report.txt. Then, my_file, write_text. Hello, writes content to the file. Finally, my_file, read_text, retrieves it.
The example begins by importing the pathlib module, which offers an object-oriented approach to file system paths, and shootil for robust cleanup. It then defines names for a temporary directory and a file within it. The core demonstration starts by creating path objects for these names, showing how pathlib path initializes a path and how the operator elegantly joins path components to form a complete file. Path. Next, the code illustrates how to create a directory using the path object's mkdir method, ensuring the target location exists before file operations. The exist_OK equals true argument prevents errors if the directory is already present. Following directory creation, the example demonstrates creating and utilizing a file by writing content to it using the write_text method, and subsequently reading that content back with read_text. Finally, the script showcases several utility methods of path objects, such as exists, is_dir, and is_file, which are crucial for verifying the nature and presence of paths on the file system. The finally block ensures that the created directory and its contents are safely removed using shootil rmtree after the script execution, maintaining a clean working environment.